In this video, we're going to be finding points on a line and also going to be investigating parallel and perpendicular slopes. So is the ordered pair a solution to the equation is our first set of questions here. Basically asking, is the given point on the line? You write yes or no. Well, how are we going to know if this point 2, 0 is on this line right here? Here's how we do it. We take the 2, which is really the x value, and we're going to plug it in for x. Then we're going to see what we get out for y. If we get 0 out for y, then we know the answer is yes. If we get something other than 0, then we know the answer is no. So let's do it. So we're going to take 2 and plug it in here for y. 4 times 2 minus 9. So what is that? Equals 8 minus 9 equals negative 1. Okay. Well, is negative 1 equal to 0? And the answer is no, so we will put no. The point is not on the line. 2, 0 is not on this line. But what would be on this line? 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1 would be on this line. That was the y value that we got when we plugged in negative 2. Okay, how about this one? We plug in 8, we get out negative 5. Well, is that true for this function, for this equation? Is it a solution, we would like to say? Or is the given point on the line? Let's test it. Let's see. Y equals negative x, so that means this value except negative. So negative, and then plug in 8, minus 3 equals negative 11. Is negative 11 the same thing as negative 5? Of course not. So the answer is, and this was y, the y value, not YWHY. The answer is no. It is not on the line. How about this one? You try it. All right, y equals, and then you're going to plug in what for x? Here's your x, here's your y, here's your x, here's your y. I just want to make that really clear. You're going to plug in 3 for x. And then you get negative 9 plus 7 equals negative 2. Negative 2, is that the same as we get here? Yes, it is. So the answer to this one is yes. This point is on this line. Okay, so now we're going to find 3 ordered pairs that are solutions to this equation right here. And as you may have guessed, there are infinitely many answers. So how are we going to do this? Well, we just pick 3 values of x, and then we are going to write the corresponding values of y. So how about we pick, I don't know, 0 for x. That's a nice easy number. So what happens when we plug in 0 for x? What do we get out for y? Input 0, what's the output? So we get 3 times 0 plus 2 equals 2. So that point would be 0, 2. How about another one? Let's try 1. So 3 times 1 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, our point is 1, 5. These are both points on this line. Okay, how about we pick a negative point? Let's pick negative 2. So 3 times negative 2 plus 2 equals negative 6 plus 2 equals negative 4. Therefore, we plug in negative 2, we get out a negative 4. Okay, so these are all points on this line. And again, there are infinitely many answers. You could pick any value for x, just tell me what you get out for y. That is a possible answer.